This is what I call my fishing train, my Lionel fishing train. Have a little fun with this video. It's a little different, but it features the Lionel 736 Berkshire Locomotive. It's a 284 wheel configuration. Has the Pennsylvania 2046 tender on it. So these are newer ones from the 90s. There's the Gil Finn's Trout Ranch, and I'll do some trout fishing here in a minute. And there's Peak Place, and these move because the wheels make it move, not a motor, and they don't make noise either like the others. And then you have a Lobster. Of course, you got to have water. So my best car was the Perrier. Those are from the late 80s, early 80s and late 70s. And then you have a Northern Pacific caboose and a bay window. Let's watch it run and enjoy it. .736 had light, but also had smoker. Nice whistle. I love playing with trains, and I love fishing. We're chilling, and we're here in Indianapolis, going out for the first time in the famous Dennis Trout Pond. And he's coming through the way, like he might have a strike. No? Yeah, he's got one. And we're gonna get him too. Oh. No, he's got him. Okay. I'll net him. You hold on. All right, the first one. First one of the year, just a nice rainbow trout. And caught on a rooster tail. White rooster tail. You gotta know what they're... We've learned that over the years. These fish are going to a fish fry. There's Baptist College. This is the beginning, we hope, today of many. Got the ice, one in, and there they are. All right, trout, rainbow trout, downtown, not downtown, but in Indianapolis city limits. Lit fish cars, those are always fun to watch. Okay. That's a Lionel fish train.
Go fishing!